Ever wondered how to write the perfect description, title, and tags for your YouTube video? Well, let's unpack this. These three elements are not just mere adornments for your video. They are the guiding lights that lead the YouTube algorithm to your content. Imagine a library with thousands of books, but no labels or categories. How would you find the book you're looking for? Similarly, descriptions, titles, and tags help categorize your video among billions on YouTube. The right title can capture the essence of your video and pique the curiosity of potential viewers. A well-crafted description provides context and can be the deciding factor for a viewer contemplating whether to click play. Tags, on the other hand, are like the invisible threads connecting your video to others of similar content, helping YouTube's algorithm recommend your video to the right audience. So, how do we go about crafting these crucial elements? Let's delve into it. The title of your video is like the headline of a news article. It's the first thing that catches the viewer's attention. Now, imagine you're scrolling through a sea of videos. What makes you stop and click? A catchy, concise title, right? That's exactly what you need to craft. Here's the secret sauce: keyword research. Keywords are the terms that viewers search for. Incorporate these into your title, and you're more likely to show up in search results. Use tools like Google Trends or Keywords Everywhere to find out what's in demand. Now, let's talk examples. My trip to Bali sounds generic, doesn't it? But what about Bali Adventure Exploring Hidden Waterfalls? The second title is more enticing, it's specific, and it creates intrigue. That's the power of a well-crafted title. But be careful not to go overboard. The most amazing, unbelievable, mind-blowing trip to Bali ever might sound exciting, but it's too long and can come off as clickbait. So remember, keep your title short, snappy, and keyword-rich. Now, let's move on to the description. This is where you can give your audience a taste of what your video is about. A description should be like a tantalizing appetizer, whetting the viewer's appetite for the main course that is your video. It's your opportunity to hint at the content of your video and intrigue your audience enough to press play. But how do you write such a description? Firstly, it's essential to keep it descriptive and engaging. Avoid generic phrases and instead dive into the specifics of your content. Paint a brief yet vivid picture of what viewers can expect. Next, let's talk about keywords. These are crucial for helping your video show up in search results. However, stuffing your description with keywords will only make it seem robotic and insincere. Instead, weave your keywords naturally into sentences. This way, you'll hit the SEO sweet spot without compromising on authenticity. What about a call to action? Yes, your description is an ideal place to include one. Encourage viewers to like, share, or subscribe, or direct them to a related video. But remember, subtlety is key. You don't want to come across as pushy. Lastly, don't forget to include links to your social media or other related videos. This not only makes it easy for viewers to find more of your content, but it also helps to build a sense of community around your channel. A good description is like a movie trailer. It should entice the viewer to watch the full video. So let's craft descriptions that are not just informative, but also irresistibly engaging. Finally, let's talk about tags. Tags are like the index of a book. They help YouTube understand the content of your video. Imagine you're in a library, searching for a particular book. You know what it's about, but you don't know the title or the author. How do you find it? You head straight to the index. Tags work in a similar way. They help YouTube's algorithm index your video, making it easier for viewers to find your content among the sea of videos. Using relevant and trending tags is like placing your book on the front shelf. It increases the chances of your video being discovered by the right audience. So, how do you find the right tags? You can use keyword research tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar to identify popular keywords related to your content. But remember, relevance is key. Just because a tag is trending doesn't mean it's right for your video. For instance, tagging your cooking tutorial with Olympics 2024. Just because it's trending would be like placing a cookbook in the sports section. It just doesn't make sense, right? On the other hand, tags like easy recipes, home cooking, or quick meals would be more appropriate. They accurately represent the content of your video and target viewers who are interested in your niche. Remember, tags are your friends. Use them wisely to increase the visibility of your video. So, to sum it up, we've delved into the fascinating world of YouTube video optimization, unraveling the significance of crafting the perfect title, penning an engaging description, and the subtle art of tagging. In our journey, we discovered that a title isn't just a handful of words at the top of your video. It's the flashy billboard that grabs attention, the hook that reels viewers in. It's the first impression, and we all know how much that counts. Moving on, we learned that a description is not just a summary, it's a story. It's the narrative that entices, that adds context, that convinces your audience to stay. It's the canvas where you paint the picture of what your video is all about. And lastly, we explored the world of tags. Those hidden heroes, the silent signalers guiding viewers to your content. They're the compass points leading the algorithm and the audience to your video's doorstep. Remember, the right description, title, and tags can make or break your video's success. So, spend some time on them and make them count.